Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to our channel. I got my fiance here with me again, my brother-in-law behind the camera. Today we're checking out a haunted train tunnel. It's been decommissioned for about 20-30 years, and it's been told that 4 people have drowned in that tunnel. And today we're going to do a spirit box and some other things, and we're probably going to walk through it because it's not a long tunnel.
Yep.
And yeah, we can probably get some good shit, boys.
Awesome.
Yeah,
cool.
let's
Cool.
roll.
Awesome. And first time filming, so. Oh, back there. Oh shit, there it is.
There it is, yeah.
You could look at that little square out there. Look.
That's not the end tunnel there. I think that's people. I think that's artists.
This is so weird.
Yeah, it is.
No, I don't think so.
Apparently you can hear like phantom trains and shit like that.
We should,
There's people in there.
yeah, we should probably ask permission to
Dude, you don't need to do that.
It's weird because like there's no train tracks. And usually you find that when you have train tunnels, you get
old train tracks or some shit.
yeah.
They probably took the train tracks out, eh?
Boy, Harry, my boy.
Yeah. Put it in the car, it don't count.
Can you hold this while I tie my hair up?
Yeah.
Hi, everybody. You have a really question about lizard.
A lizard? Like what kind of lizard are you talking about?
Oh, but don't worry, guys. Here in Australia, we actually don't drive cars. We ride kangaroos. I just thought I'd let you know.
That's one thing to say to set off people, mate. We ride kangaroos.
No, but that's what Americans think. They like, and everyone else in the other like. Some people think Australia doesn't even exist, and that we're all paid actors that live in like Massachusetts or something. And New Zealand doesn't exist as well, apparently.
Yeah, I mean, like, yeah, nah.
Yeah, no,
That's really weird.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, nah.
Yeah, so we're just waiting for these guys to finish filming. And
Yeah,
they're doing an ad.
They're doing an ad in there, and they've got motorbikes and stuff.
They said they had a road flare, which is pretty cool.
Yeah.
Wonder what it's for, but
Well,
We can't really
scenic.
do anything in there because of cross contamination, and we need it to
coronavirus.
be quite quiet.
Well, that ovulus works pretty alright.
Yeah.
Like that puck. Just pull it out, see if it does anything. I guess it's worth a try while we're waiting.
So apparently,
And it doesn't work on sound either. It works on like electromagnetic interference and.
I doubt we'll get anything because we're not close to it. But there were 4 recorded deaths here because of drowning in some big floods.
I think that's when they were taking the rails out.
Water pipe gone wrong.
I didn't do all my research. All I read was like 4 people died from drowning, so
Well,
hopefully we can get them through.
well, next time, maybe do your research, and it makes for.
That's a good point.
It makes
That is
for.
So, next video will probably be a abandoned mental asylum.
Where's that?
That's in Waco.
That's in Lake
Oh.
Hull.
Do you have permission to film there?
I'm going to actually call them and see if we can.
Do you
because,
remember the one that Mum took us to?
Yeah, no, I remember vividly.
That is where
Vividly.
it was very scary, wasn't it? That's
went
where
there
we're
with-
planning to go.
I went there with Sylvie, the other.
Did you?
the
Can
other
you
month.
tell us where? Because we don't know where
We
it is.
can't find it.
We're only like
Y'all are hopeless.
no, but we went to the actual one close to the juvenile centre.
Is it where the big field is? Like the big field? And you walk just
And
across it
across
and
the
the 2
road?
buildings are there? Yeah.
That's
Oh.
not the same one that we went to as children.
Yeah, it is.
It must have been because that's
It's
probably
just
before
you're on
the
the
jail
other
was
side.
there.
There's 2 roads that you can take. There's one really long dirt road, and then there's the common ground concrete
We want
road.
the dirt road.
I don't know how to get that.
Well, I'll call them and actually see if we can.
You have to be real careful because they don't really like it.
Yeah.
because it is a hazard. I think if you stay out, and because it's all owned property as well, like
Yeah.
even the grounds and everything,
Yeah.
they're all maintained. So I mean, I guess if you could say like, I don't know that you have a YouTube channel, but I guess
that'll probably do it.
I guess if you leave out the information that
So we have a YouTube channel. We want to learn more about the history, because that's pretty much what we want to do. We want to learn about the history and.
well, if you say that you're not ghost hunters and you say that you're history urban explorers and you do videos on urban exploring
And haunted places and stuff
and no, not haunted places. If you mention that, they're going to be like, oh, another one. But if you say, oh, we're documenting the historical land trademarks.
That's the
landmarks. Landmarks.
Yeah.
That you know, they might be more inclined because you're like spreading the information rather than look at the ghost I found, which
There's
some
also
people aren't into.
a rumour that there's this mountain in Australia. It's called Mount Cootha, and at the bottom of it, it's actually quite.
It's a cemetery.
It's quite haunted. And
Are you talking
people
about-
from America have actually come to Australia just to see that place. And it's here in Brisbane.
Are you talking about
the
Toowong?
walk trail.
Not Toowong Cemetery, no, but that's another.
Are you talking about Slaughter Falls?
Yeah,
Yes, that's the one.
Why not just say Slaughter Falls then?
Because we didn't know
because
what
I
it
didn't
was.
know what it was called.
Yeah, Slaughter Falls. The story is that a guy was sitting down on his bench at roughly, I think it was 4 or 5 o'clock
In the morning.
in the afternoon.
Oh, now.
So it was dusk, it was mid-winter, so it was getting pretty dark, and he decided that he would just go and sit down. There was work nearby, and he had finished work, and he went to go relax. He disappeared for a whole day, and like to his friends he disappeared. He was in that spot, and he didn't move. And when his friends came and found him, because it was the usual spot he would go to, they found him mumbling about some little girl, and
So it was in shock sitting there pretty much.
and they never found any information about
Or what he saw, yeah.
what he saw. Yeah, but that's one of the stories that are there. There's also stories of a wishing well out near what's it called? There's a nunnery.
In Brisbane.
They're on that same hill, same road to Slaughter Falls.
Oh, the old nunnery.
Yeah.
Are you wanting
That's
to?
been there for years though.
So when we do our filming, do you want to just be the cameraman and?
I don't know. I'm gonna need a Mars bar or two.
Maybe an energy drink, mate.
Yeah, maybe an
So
energy.
nice, mother.
I gotta get my good hair in. You know, I gotta look good. Do I look good? Does my hair look good? Do I look like?
Comment down below if it looks good.
What's
Oh no. We're not fucking
what's
filming-
popping?
we're not
This is my brother, everybody.
filming
My
a
brother.
porno.
Here we are.
You get demonetized for that shit.
What? Saying porno?
Just blur it out. Just go filming a beep.
Yeah. But yeah, this is awesome. I thought it was a lot longer than I thought it was.
Is your thing still going on your phone? You put it away, didn't you?
Yeah, it's still on. Nothing's happened.
You can
Apparently-
ask questions. Good shit.
Huh. Well, what can we say?
Whatever you like, they don't really care.
How many
They
people
did.
have died here?
Must be asleep.
Sleepwalkers, mate.
I guess a decent question to ask is,
How did you die?
Yeah.
no, you got to establish if anyone's here.
Oh.
Is there anybody here?
Is there any spirits here that wish to talk to us?
Muy bien.
They're nice. No, nothing.
Sometimes it takes a while.
Yeah.
Scanning. Scanning for ghosts, mate.
Was it not even on?
It might. Alright.
Probably not.
Is there any spirits here that wish to talk to us?
Mass.
Mass?
So a mass? Is there a mass of you? Is there more than one?
Is there more than one spirit here? This is of a daytime too, so it's kind of different.
Imagine.
Did anyone die here?
Jackson.
Jackson?
Yo, Jackson, my boy.
Shut up. Is your name Jackson? Did you die here? No way.
This is cool.
I didn't think
Kinda
a name would
freaky.
come through, eh?
Kind of freaky, but I love it. love
Am I
the
speaking with Jackson now?
Maybe keep your voice down, dude, because they are filming.
Yeah. How did you die, Jackson?
If they say drowning.
I'm gonna cry if they say drowning. Speak to us, Jackson. We're not gonna hurt you. Are you a good or bad spirit? No, nothing else is coming through. It's just Jackson.
Periodical.
As I
So
grab it.
Just as he grabs it.
That's how you died?
What does he mean by periodical?
Not gonna lie. I don't know what that word means.
It means momentary, like in between different moments.
So at what moment did you pass away?
How many of you are here?
Don't say mass again. Please don't say
Come and
mass again.
speak into this.
We're here to learn about
What happened here?
what happened to you and tell everybody so that you're not forgotten.
It came from over there.
Is that where it's saying? Oh yeah, the arrow.
The arrow? Yeah.
It's probably where the rock is. The tunnel was a lot longer too, so they've dulled it down.
Is there anyone here?
Bill.
Bill. Is your
Bill,
is
how
your
did-
first name Bill?
Or William? Because you get...
Yeah.
Bill.
Bill. Yeah. Is this where you died, in this very spot? Huh. Where's it pointing now? Right.
Some real stuff. Didn't think we'd get anything, but how good. I love it.
Is someone dead? Wash?
I'd say there used to be water there. Hence why it's like
Did there used to be a
eroded
lake
away.
or something here?
A lake. There's bushland. Like
a
there's...
stream.
Or a stream?
Thigh.
Thigh.
Thigh. Yes, I have big thighs.
Smart ass.
No. Wash.
Wash thigh.
The water pipe.
When you drown, you get washed away.
Did you drown here?
They're not going to answer straight away, dude. Just remind them they got to talk into the phone.
Talk into this to answer my question.
Ask them
It's just pointing up there.
how old they are.
How old are you?
If we can get intelligent responses, that'd be great.
Yeah, I think
Instead
in the
of just-
tunnel's probably going to be more.
See, we can't do that because there's a...
Island?
Australia's an island.
Maybe they're an islander.
Where are you, a Torres Strait Islander
New Zealand,
or New Zealander?
Are you...
Fiji,
Yeah. What type of island are you talking about?
maybe one of the islands off the coast.
Speak into this
Bay
and
Island?
use all your energy.
Harvest.
Harvest. He could have been like an Aboriginal who used to live around here. That's crazy.
An Aboriginal named Bill.
Or a farmer. Because this probably most used to be farmland.
Yeah, before, like...
Are you a farmer who used to farm this land? That's...
Just remember, we can always use the energy that we are giving off.
Not me.
No, it's me because my hands are shaking and I'm feeling dizzy.
I don't give you any permission to take any of my energy.
Fair enough.
Deborah.
Was Deborah your wife?
So who we got? We got Bill,
Bill,
Deborah.
Jackson,
Deborah,
and Deborah.
Jackson.
3 names popped up. Am I speaking with Deborah now?
Killing.
Killing. It said killing.
What about?
Far out.
Did someone kill you, Deborah?
Is this the spot where you were killed?
Nah.
You feel alright?
My hands are shaking, eh? Like, I'm getting dizzy.
No, you're just nervous.
This is the first experience.
Why don't you sit down?
Sit down on the rock. Go
I'm gonna
ahead.
turn it off now, my hands are shaking.
Scanning stopped.
Whew! That was crazy.
Just stop recording for a bit.
Why? It could be, if we're getting it during the day, they're more active of a night time. So,
You go around 3 o'clock, that's the devil's hour.
Not doing that.
No.
It's actually the witching hour.
yeah, it's the
Witching hour, devil hour.
And the last time
Same
we were
thing,
here,
different
of a
smell.
night time, we heard before we even got down the hill, we heard a woman screaming at the top of her lungs. Like a death scream.
To me, and the things that I believe, that to me would be like a banshee.
Do you know the stories of Banshee?
Trouble.
Did
As
it actually
I- as-
just say trouble?
As I say, banshee, which is a kind of like a urban legend where if you hear a banshee scream, it means that someone's going to die. Pretty much.
Abort.
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 I think it's telling you that you should not come at night time because there's going to be trouble. And you should abort that idea.
Okay, we're
Thank
not.
you.
Thank you.
Thank
Looks
you
like
for
we're
warning
not
us.
coming here tonight.
Is there anything else that you would like to ask us or
Tell us or
Tell
what,
us?
what happened here. Can you tell us what happened here?
The fact that we're in nature too really helps.
Yeah.
Yeah, because there's a lot of history in Australia, like with all of the indigenous people that were
Aboriginals.
indigenous, so
Aboriginal.
Aborigines.
That's derogatory. Aboriginals is the correct term. to
Okay,
use because
my
it's-
apologies. The Aboriginals, a lot of them actually passed away because of the white man coming in and taking it, but this is their land. So there's a lot of history in Australian land.
A lot of history. And this train tunnel could have been built through native land.
Nothing.
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 So there's nothing he wants to tell you?
So there's nothing that you would like to tell us? There's nothing
Important?
important that you'd like to tell?
Or warn us about?
Or warn us about? Or... Oh, pardon me.
It's always going to point that way. I think it's just pointing north.
I think it is pointing north, which is weird because things like that don't usually point north.
Mm.
It usually points
Is
to
there
what?
something that happened over there?
Do you have spare batteries for this?
No.
We should probably look into getting that as well. See
Yeah.
if they're drained.
Itself. What does it mean by itself?
Did you?
Who said itself? Who are we speaking with now?
Yeah, because if they drain the battery of the phone, or this.
Yeah. Well, we'll have to charge it before we go out tonight.
We always have our phones, and Matt can just connect it together.
Yeah.
Yeah, but if they drain your phones as well,
Yeah.
that's it.
There.
There. Where's there? Do you mean over there?
In the bush up on the hill? Is that where you're talking about? That's weird.
It won't focus. It just won't focus.
Means that there's a spirit around us.
Yeah.
That's why.
Let's
Is
go
this-
a little bit of a different direction, like the graffiti here. Are you guys upset about people coming in and...
Opal.
Opal?
Right here. I don't know if that's... I'm pretty sure that's quartz.
Yeah, that's quartz.
Are you guys...
Is your name Opal?
No,
Bit of a strange name, but it could be.
maybe.
Maybe.
Is there information on any of these about like an opal mine or whatever? I'll have a look over here.
Modern.
What did it say?
Modern.
Modern?
Yeah, it's a very modern area.
It's a modern place to go for walking.
Can you say this word, Earnest? Or Junction? Can you say this word into the phone? Make the word junction appear on the phone. It's just not focusing on this phone.
See, usually when other YouTubers do this type of stuff, their camera will be so focused throughout the video, but then there'll be a few bits where it doesn't focus.
Didn't you say this is a modern tunnel?
Yeah. Modern tunnel now. And it said modern. Oh, no.
Up.
Up, yeah?
Up
We
there.
were pointing
Up on the
up
sign.
at the sign.
No. Oh, no.
You're so freaked out. You're like, oh my god, yeah.
Oh, that's
Thank you.
Bill.
It says bike.
Yeah.
Built.
Built.
But it's spelled incorrectly.
Thank you for giving us that word.
Bill. It says Bill up there.
Where?
Right on the top, the white writing towards the end.
Oh yeah?
Bill?
Yeah, but we didn't get a fill.
We got a bill.
We got a bill.
Can you make the word junction appear on this phone? Speak into this phone.
Maybe there's someone spray painted their name on here. There's an X here.
X marks the spot.
Maybe there was an opal mine here at one
Maybe.
point.
Could be true.
February.
We're in
What's the month?
February.
It is February.
What? That's a very intelligent
Are
response.
you talking about the month that we're in now, or is that the month that you passed away?
Can you hear all the bugs? That's going to be really loud on this. Really loud.
That's cool that it said February. Out of all the words that it could have picked,
It picked February.
it picked February, the month that we're in right now. Where would you like us to go?
If it says tunnel.
I don't know what I'll do.
We'll go to the tunnel. I keep feeling that there's spiders like crawling up me. So there's
Could
not.
just be.
Wall.
The
The tunnel wall.
oh,
Do you want us to go?
It is a sheer. It's pretty sheer.
It's a big wall.
Do you want us to go to the wall of the tunnel?
Maybe their names are in there.
Imagine we go in and
Find the sprayed
Find
names
all the
in there.
names that have just
No.
come up. Would you be a little bit more specific? Bloody sticks on me.
Which wall are you talking about?
you need to get some drip. You need to look a bit more professional.
Some drip.
Some nice clothes.
It's hot. It's Australia and it's hot.
I know, but if
It's like 30 degrees right now.
yeah, but I'm saying like just nicer clothes. Just so that way, like.
You're saying that my multi shirt isn't good enough for you?
That's correct.
Wow. Unlucky.
This bitch.
This bitch.
Do you want us to go back over here?
Yellow.
Is your favourite colour yellow?
Maybe there's something yellow on the wall.
Maybe there's something yellow on the wall.
I'd say a lot of spray paint.
Yeah.
Or like yellow?
No.
Nah, people don't usually say that. So where's the pointing to? Up there or down here? Oh, it's pointing over there now. Are you moving?
I don't know, it's over there.
Matt,
It is going off.
Is it pointing towards
It's
the
going
tunnel
like
now?
that, and then like that, and it's like going like this. It's not picking a direction. See, I go over here, it goes over here. I go over here, over here.
Look at the arrow on it.
it could be that you're standing right in
there.
the middle. Move back here and then see if it points to that direction.
Pointing over here.
So it's moving with you.
Until when?
Just one focus. But it focuses
It
on everything else.
Might be the glare.
Could be.
Could be the glare of the sun, yeah.
Until death do us part.
Idiot.
I mean, no respect. Disrespect.
I mean, Deborah could have been married to one of those people.
Maybe.
Jackson, Bill.
There could have been property.
There could have been property here, yeah.
That's soft dirt, Madonna, be careful.
Yeah, don't fall. Has it stopped?
Yeah.
So it's right in front of you.
Yeah. Are you right in front of me? Talk into this device. Let us know what you'd like to say.
Daniel.
Daniel. That's my brother's name.
It could be just another Daniel.
But what's the
two
chances of it saying
coincidences.
Edward and Daniel?
There's
My
alright
brother's
for
name
one.
is Daniel and my last name is Edwards.
Okay. That doesn't. It's not conclusive.
What if,
Mark.
or Alpa? Lick? What are you licking? The trees?
I'm sorry, I can't help but not laugh
That's a
at
bit
that.
of a cheeky giggle.
Do you want a lollipop?
Madonna.
What if it's a kid?
I'm serious. Yeah, exactly. If it's a kid, they're probably like, I want to lick a lollipop. Okay, so now it's changed. Oh, no, right, it's
It's
right.
moving. It's right there.
What do you want to lick?
You.
You never know.
You never know.
There have been
If you hear noises in the background, if there's a motorbike in the tunnel,
Yeah, they're filming an ad.
they're filming an ad for a clothes brand.
Which sounds pretty sick.
It does, yeah.
Do
Especially
you
when they're in a
like
tunnel.
that they're doing that in your tunnel?
Did it say
Law.
Law.
I thought it said lol. But it says law.
Do you think that that's against the law to do that?
Alright, let's give it a break.
Gnarly.
Gnarly.
It said gnarly.
We are getting everything right now. Cody touched the rock, we got feel. We're hearing voices through this. It's crazy.
Past. Help.
Help. How can we help you?
Help me.
Said it again. Help me.
Again?
Would you like us to help you?
Lower your voices.
Hi.
Hello. In turn.
I walked toward this because I was like, someone's gonna do something.
No way.
Can you tell me how many of you are here? Two.
That's twice we've had that response.
Yeah, twice. On and off camera. Killed.
Killed?
Were you killed here?
And it was in an Australian accent too. Killed.
Killed. Yeah. That's crazy.
Me. Listen. Speak.
Yeah, speak into this. Nah.
No.
We only want to talk to you. We don't want to be disrespectful.
We're not gonna harm you.
We just want to know more.
Exit.
Exit. It just said
The
exit.
We're at the exit of the...
I'm telling you right now, I just heard an Australian woman tell us to fuck off.
Exit. Are you talking about the
What
tunnel
else did
exit?
it say?
Exit.
Back here?
Or are you wanting us to leave, like exit the area?
No.
Do you want us to stay?
Gur? Is that like a gur?
Would you like us to stay here?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Oh my god.
Okay.
Very intelligent.
Thank you.
That was a child.
That was a child's voice. Alright, this just said
Diabolical.
diabolical.
That's a big word. And that
Diabolical.
would've-
Child. Diabolical.
Child diabolical.
So,
The kid must be
No.
diabolical.
usually children's spirits are demons.
Oh.
Huh.
Scary.
Can you hold my phone properly? Miss, I break everything?
No way.
Is there any evil spirits surrounding us?
That we need to worry about?
Did I just say no?
Machine.
John.
Machine.
Machine. Yeah, these are machines.
These are all machines.
Speak into our machines. Let us know more.
Road. Door.
Machine.
The bike. Do you spirits not like that bike being in your tunnel?
No.
No.
They're leaving soon.
Better not.
Chills. No, it said behind you.
Is there someone behind Madonna?
Sky.
Yep.
Sky.
Feel.
That said feel before.
No,
as well.
Look.
She's got goosebumps.
Goosebumps. Absolute goosebumps all through my leg. Are you attached to me?
This is pointing to you. Not anymore, it's moved. It's like it's standing right next to you. Are you standing next to Madonna?
I swear I heard hey here.
Next to you?
Yeah.
John, again.
That's the second time.
Boom. No,
Did
it
it
said
ex-
boo.
Oh, boo. You trying to scare us?
Are you trying to scare me?
Trying to be spooky.
Trouble. That's the second time we've got trouble today.
We don't want any trouble.
We just hit save.
What would you like us to say? Boo.
He's just booing you. What do you want us to say? Come speak into this device. Use all your energy and Madonna's energy.
I will. I will or hello.
I will. I don't like the whispering.
That's just
Other one saying something.
Yes.
yeah. That was
That was
long.
very
Clear.
prominent.
when
very
it's
clear.
long. When it's long, that's when it's good.
Yeah.
Will you be happy when the motorbike leaves?
Decompose.
Decompose.
That's a huge word.
That's a huge word.
Are you decomposing somewhere? Heart. I had heart.
I thought I heard top.
Fence.
Are you up on the fence line? Is this where you're buried?
There's a fence line over there.
Or over here where this fence line is?
Wait, what's that white thing? And lower your voice. Come over here.
Okay, so we've been doing the necrophonic and the little puck device thing that we have on our phone. And on the necrophonic, there was a
Little girl.
little girl or a woman's voice saying "ow," and I asked the question: is there a bad spirit that's stopping you from talking? And on the puck device that we have on our phone, it said devil as soon as I finished saying that question.
And that's the second time.
And that's the second
Second
time
time
that
devil's
we've had
popped up.
devil
Did
come
you wanna
through.
Did you want to look up the word list and just show them?
We've gotten so many results. We've got like 6 or 7 names.
What did it say?
Saved history to internal storage.
Oh,
Okay.
spaz.
Yeah. It said X. The X on the rock. There's an X on the back of the rock.
What else did it say?
Press back.
Terms.
Just look up the.
There's, oi,
Hang on.
when
Hang on. I'm just trying to get this first.
when we entered, Matt,
Yeah.
there was
So here
a
you can
list
see
of
devil,
terms that the artists.
and we have
Oh,
devil
yeah.
here as well. So we had it twice.
It's crazy. It's gone completely sideways in an instant. And they're popping off flares in there now. And it's come up disturbed. Kids' voices.
No, it hasn't.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Disturbed.
Yeah, in here.
Disturbed.
Disturb,
Oh, okay.
interrupt.
It's saying here. Instead, interrupt. Interrupt twice. It's said like interrupt so many times. Like they're interrupting them from either trying to sleep or trying to rest.
They're interrupting their resting
Yeah.
spot. So, like, if you were to interrupt a grave side, pretty much.
Yeah.
Because
They
there's
would have
been
interrupted
deaths here.
so many grave spots digging this tunnel.
Yeah.
Are you talking about the terms Queen?
Queen?
Are you talking about Queen Elizabeth?
There were British people, like a lot of British people
Yeah.
that came over. And when was this built?
1822 or something.
That would have been right around the right time for like
1889.
yeah, that would have been perfect timing.
Yeah. Are you talking about the Queen of England? Sent.
He was sent here.
The British people were sent here. Were you a convict? Convicts were sent here from England.
Yeah.
Thieves, robbers, murderers.
But not necessarily for bad things. You could
No,
have
they
just
were sent
stolen
here
a
to
loaf
work
of bread.
as well.
Some people would intentionally steal a loaf of bread
To be
just
sent.
to
Get
be
away.
sent here.
Yeah. It was
Beware.
beware. Beware of the tunnel.
Or beware of the bad spirit. "10 minutes," he says.
Booze.
Ooze.
Movies with joy, or
Are you oozing blood? Is that what you were doing when you died?
You hold this. I'm gonna hold the torch. How's that sound?
yeah, I'll keep my torch in my hand. Where's my phone? Oh, it's in your hand.
Spaz.
Yeah,
Do you
so they
not
finally
like it?
left, and we finally get a chance to
To talk to you.
have a look in here. We've got so much activity outside. It's crazy. We've got devil, little girl voices, all that.
Do you not appreciate the fact that people come in here and destroy your resting spot?
Resting place.
It's just pointing to north, I think.
Victor.
Victor.
Was there a Victor who died in here?
Are we speaking to you, Victor?
I can't focus on
Do you want to get the necrophonic now? Cody,
Huh?
get the necrophonic.
Yeah.
Cat.
Gapped.
Cat.
Cat.
It said kitty earlier too.
That could be a person who just really like cats.
Phone camera light is better than this.
Not
Yeah.
really.
Mouse.
Which?
Are you using my energy? Guessed. Yes.
There. Their. Like over there.
No, that's
Ownership.
there.
Ownership
Like,
there.
that's their camera. Help? Do you want us to help you?
Until.
Until
Fine.
what?
Here.
Is there something that you need to tell us?
Lamp? Like our torches?
Great.
Scrape? I knew this thing would go off in here. Dad. Victor again.
It said Victor.
Is your dad's name Victor?
Yep.
Yeah. Matt? Did you say Matt?
Is there anything that you'd like to tell us while we're here?
No.
Do we need to be worried about anything?
No.
Is there any
Kill.
Kit.
Kit, we've got a kit on us.
Well, they had a whole heap of gear.
Oh, yeah, true. Are you talking about the kit the camera people had? Shh.
Ian.
Ian,
Staring.
are you staring at us? Quiet.
Go
Victory.
away.
Victory. Are you happy that they've left your tunnel?
They were waiting.
Or are you happy that you've gotten us into the tunnel? Listen.
It's trap. They're not listening. 8 a.m.
Thought I heard someone walking behind you then.
You. That is very prominent.
Alright, well, we'll leave that one there. We'll come back later tonight. And we'll come back tonight and see what we get tonight.
Yep.
We'll go over to that same spot we did today before, and we'll come back in the middle and try both entrances,
Yep.
and we'll see how we go from there.
Yeah.
Samuel.
Well,
Samuel.
that's
Samuel.
another name.
Hold on. Pull it up.
We've gotten so many names today.
Hold on. We're gonna go now, but we'll be back later tonight. Is there anything?
Yield.
Yield. Like
Yield.
stop.
Like, no, like,
Yeah, yield means stop.
yeah.
Is there anything that you need to tell us
Before we leave.
before we leave? Is there anything that you need to warn us about?
I guess not.
Okay.
Alright.
Well, we'll see.
Scanning stopped.
We'll see you guys later.
Yep,
You're
part
not
2.
allowed to touch us.
Follow us.
Follow us. You're not allowed to attach yourselves to any of our equipment or anything that is attached to us. So we'll see you later, guys.